Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe and tell your friends and loved ones about Willa's Creation YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be unboxing some Beebeecraft products. These products are new to me, first time I'm going to try them out, so you guys will see a whole new set of craft things on my channel, so look out for that. Wait a minute, did I say free? Yes, I did. These products are 100% free and I did not even pay for shipping. Beebeecraft had a program for YouTubers who has 100 subscribers or more on their channel to be a part of this program. All you have to do in return when you get these products is to make videos for them. I think this is a good way to try out new things. If you are interested in Beebeecraft products, I have a 10% discount code which I will be placing in the description box down below. For those of you who are interested in purchasing things from Beebeecraft, they got a lot of different products that you can choose from on their website. So without further ado, let's begin the unboxing process. So let's open it up. So I already know what's inside here because I choose the items. So I might can reuse this to ship my stuff in, and this cardboard I might can reuse them as well. So let's go with one by one products. So this is a pencil. Ooh, there's a lot of them. I thought it was one in the pot. I thought it was one inside here. I don't know what I'm gonna do with so many. I didn't know there was so many of them. So let's get this out of the way and move to the next product. Guys, I am so excited to use these. These are some dies. Ooh, look at those flowers. I can use these on my cards. Some leaves. I got some more leaves right there and more flowers. So I don't know when I'm gonna use these. Since it's the spring, I can use these for the spring. Yeah, I can use them. Okay, let's get these out of the way. Remember guys, that the discount code is in the description box. Remember that for 10% off all your orders. And sometimes they have like free shipping. They got 20% discount, and they always got discounts over there. So I will place the link for these products in the description box as well. You all can search in their search engine for whatever you like. They sell different crafts products, so you guys might need to go over there and look for yourself and see what you like. These are some flowers. Don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but I got to use them. Sometime I'm doing like craft stuff. I might can put them on my cards as well, since they're flat and they're not bulging. They can ship easily. So these are the flowers. Those pocket cards that I might make some more and put them on them. So we will see what I can do with them. This one came into this box. Let's see what it is. So there's the next die cut. I can use it for Mother's Day, Father's Day. I can use it for birthdays too because I got little stars in there. So this is the Arts die cut. I'm not gonna take it out of the basket. I don't know if you guys can see it. Look at that. I got this embossing folder. Let me open it for you guys to see. I saw a lot of embossing and stencil going around. A lot of people using those to make their cards. So I think that's the thing that's going on right now, is stencil and embossing folder. So I will be trying out these and see how it worked for me. I saw a lot of different styles and techniques, so I will try them out, maybe do some quick tips. So let's get right into the next product. The next item that we got here is a pack of die cut again. So guys, if I was planning on to buy dies, they saved me money. I spent like $50 worth of stuff, but it was 40 something, but I guess for the shipping it go up to the 50 the total. But as I said, I did not pay for any of these products. They are free. All I have to do is do an unboxing and videos for them. So these are the die cuts that came into this little package. I like this package. Now I can store them inside here. I got an art, square, flowers. I wanted them to make cards. And I got the next circle. Close that up. Put this away, and I think we got one more last product that came into this box to secure it. And this cardboard like this so that it could secure. We use this on my. Oh, one more dies. It's a lot of stuff. I didn't remember if I ordered so many things. This came for this. So I can cut it out whenever I stamp. I can cut it out. You got all that I need on here. You got Happy Mother's Day. Mother's Day is coming up. I miss you. Happy birthday. Welcome to the world. That's what baby showers. Thinking of you. Happy Father's Day. I can use those. Get well soon. I can use those. And they're beautiful. So this came along with this to cut these out when I stamp them. So yeah guys, these are all the products that I got. Let's put them up so that you guys can see. So guys, remember, as I said earlier, that you guys can get these for free. You don't have to pay for shipping, you don't have to pay for anything. Just sign up with them, choose your items, and make sure that you commit to what you signed up to do. Make sure you do their videos, and because you want to leave a good impression for them, to maybe ask you to do a next video for them, collabs, and they got affiliate programs over there. All of these good stuff, less than $40, all of these guys. So yes guys, thank you all for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out the description box down below for the 10% off discount from Beebeecraft. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys will check them out. Thanks for watching. I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace.